Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial illustrates how to crop an image in a circular shape in your Canva. So if you want to do that, you head to your Canva. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using the mobile app version of Canva. So now once you click on the mobile app, you allow it to load. While waiting for the app to load, remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share if this tutorial is helpful to you. So now you proceed and you click on the plus icon. So now once you click on the plus icon, you now search for Instagram posts. We'll be using the size for the sake of this tutorial. So now you now click on Instagram posts. So now once you click on Instagram post this way, you now proceed and you now click on elements. Once you click on element, you will now search for, I've already searched for it before, but let's go and search for cycle frame. So you now proceed to this frame, you now click on any one you want to use. You will now drag to the desired shape you want to use. So if you are okay with this shape right here, you now proceed and you now click on your gallery to insert your image. So I'll go with the pencil icon. So now once you click on it, you proceed and click on add to page. So you now drag to fill up the space. So you can double tap to see if it is properly fixed. So now once you adjust it that way, you will now click on done. So for you to be able, since the background of this image is white, so let's change the background of our Instagram post to another color so that we'll be able to see the tutorial clearly. So right now, the next step is for you to proceed and you now click on element once more. Then you now go with the graphics under this cycle. You now extend it to match with the shape, the desired shape of your frame. So now once you're done this way, if you want to change the color of this outline, you proceed, you click on it, and you now go to change it to any color you want. So now if you are okay with this color, so right there, if you are okay with this color, you now proceed, you tap outside. So right now, the last thing we need to do for the sake of this tutorial is to now save it as PNG. So to do that, you proceed to the download icon at the top, and then you now click on download. So right, you now check, make sure it is on PNG. Then you now click on transparent background. Then you now click on download. All right, now, so for us to be sure that what we've done is correct, so let's go to our photos and then let's go to our Canva. So as you can see, this is how to inscribe or to crop image in a circular shape in your Canva. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.